Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best combination locks in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying combination locks. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Puroma 4-digit combination lock 2-pack. Many high-end features for a great price. Easy to use and read, sturdy construction, and lifetime warranty. 2 included with purchase. Everything you need in a combination lock times 2. The best choice available for the budget-minded. Not the best choice for heavy-duty use, but a value option for most consumers' lock needs. At number 2. Desired Tools 4-digit combination lock. A rugged lock that can be used inside and out. Weatherproof and corrosion resistant. Convenient size, neither too large nor too small. Includes step-by-step instructions. A strong lock that works well in most situations, including outdoors. However, it lacks the rugged durability of costlier options. Sometimes the combination is tricky to reset, but customer service is readily available to help. The warranty is only 3 years compared to the lifetime protection of some others. At number 1. Master Lock, ProSeries Resettable Combination Lock. Stellar feature set, shackle dust shield, easy to see numbers with cover, tamper-proof design, and industrial-grade strength. Comes with a lifetime warranty. A top-of-the-line lock from a top manufacturer. Rugged quality and reliable performance with impressive features for added security. The best choice. Expensive. It's also large and heavy, and it may be too much for some needs. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.